will be fun. Looking forward to it. So bad news, it is booked till 11 o'clock. It's 9 o'clock now, so it's gonna wait for 2 hours. Not doing that. But we'll come back and do another night. Another excuse to come back to Fremont Street.
So due to copyright infringements, I have to overdub here. So about to go to Slotzilla. There are 2 lines they have. One is a sit down one, which you fly 2 city blocks, and the other one is you go superhero style and you go for 5 city blocks. We are doing the big one, and it's only $20 more.
All right, up the stairs we go. So we got the video package too.
Perfect. Right here, big smiles. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Hold your arms up like you're flying.
I jumped my bag already.
All right, we're in the line. We officially went through the weighing station over there. We got a little bag we're putting our stuff, and this is the camera that you use. Not allowed to use my own, so I paid for the extra video. So you get that at the end, you get a QR code, and then you can download it and get home. Feet at the bottom. All right, turn around.
She's the only representative.
You all ready, guys?
It is. Hi. Little nervous, but here we go.
I'm all ready to go. Just wait for the elevator and then up we go.
There you go. Our new friends.
Rip up, we're friends. This lift probably sketches part of it. Yeah, let's do it.
The tickets are sold in 20-minute increments, and as you saw earlier, they sell up pretty quick, so get your tickets early. And also be aware it could take up to an hour by the time you first climb the stairs to the time you actually fly. If you thought you're just going to walk up, buy tickets, and head up there and be flying within 10 minutes, that's not going to happen.
You guys go first, you go in the end.
Okay. Ready to go. Mike, going down. Smile! Over here! Oh, there's a loose strap. Love this. Yeah, no, you're oh, I feel something. Yeah. Woo! Oh, alright. Let's do it!
Nice knowing ya.
I'm gonna beat you over the bottom. I gotta get subscribers with this. Here we go! Yeah, we're going! Oh, feel that breeze. Look at that. Here we go! Woohoo! Yeah! Whoa! Here we go! Yes! Woohoo! Woo! Yes! Woo! Got everybody? I
thought they were going to send us back at
right? Oh, there he is. Hey! That was awesome. Thank you so much. Yes, yes, yes. Love it. That was freaking cool. That was friggin' awesome.
Thank you. That
Oh
was
man.
It was awesome.
I'm glad.
totally worth every penny.
Right, I'm glad I did it with my besties. That was awesome.
Freaking amazing.
Perfect.
Oh, that was so good.
Thanks for all being together.
You know how many videos I had to cancel thinking it was you guys?
You know, the vast amount of zip lines in the world are all through canyons and treetops. This is 100% opposite, 100% man-made, and highly, highly recommended. I've got a ton more Vegas videos coming up, so stay tuned.